Hey guys, welcome to Melinda's Messy Sink edition of grocery shopping at home. So many of you saw my meal plan posted on Instagram. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to post it on the screen now. So what we're doing today is I don't think I have to go to the grocery store this week. So I am verifying I have everything I need at home. So one of the things on my grocery haul was copycat Arby's roast beef. I just found the buns in this freezer. So I'm handing this off and putting it into a bag. Arby's roast beef fries, we need those for one day. Extra crispy tater tots. We're going to use these with a day that we have hamburgers and hot dogs. I think that's everything I need out of this freezer. We may have to come back. All right, out of this freezer, the only thing that I think I need is 2 packages of hamburger. One is for hamburgers and hot dogs, and the others is for enchiladas. So we're done in this freezer. So I think I'm gonna do a ham, I have apple glazed pork loin. I got hot dogs. I've got burritos. Deli meat for my Arby's roast beef. Hey babe.
Yes.
Can you add chicken thighs to our grocery list? All right. So I don't think I've ever showed you my Lazy Susan that's full of all of our canned goods and our boxes. On my meal plan, I typically do not do a lot with coming up with the exact sides, but I always just double check to make sure I've got plenty of things. So I have scalloped potatoes that could go with something. I have chicken stovetop dressing. I've got, hopefully you can see that okay, sour cream and chive potatoes. I have cheesy Mexican rice. I've got jasmine rice, minute rice, cilantro lime rice, lots of different pastas, more pastas, noodles. Then down here is all of my canned goods. The main thing that I want to make sure that I have before I go to the grocery store is enchilada sauce. But just giving you an idea, hopefully this isn't making you dizzy. Cut green beans, whole kernel corn. I've got lots of different kinds of chili ready tomatoes. This may be too much stimulation from a little camera focusing. Then here is that red enchilada sauce that I wanted to make sure that I had. So we're good with that. I also have some I also have some Bush's baked beans if we decide to have baked beans. Up here in my pantry, I've got lots of different things as well. The main thing that I'm wanting to check is that I have tomatoes for Tuscan chicken and apple juice for my pork loin. Yeah. Here's those sun-dried tomatoes. All right. I'm gonna meet you over on my counter while I figure out everything that I may need from the store. But I am finding tons, so I really don't think it's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna break down by meal what all I had in my freezer. So one of the meals on the meal plan today, or this week, is Arby's Copycat Roast Beef. Here is my deli roast beef. Here is my Arby's curly fries. And here are my Arby's buns. Next meal is hamburgers and hot dogs. Here's my ground beef. Here's my tater tots. Here's my hot dogs, hamburger buns, and hot dog buns. Moving right along. Next meal is enchiladas. I have my tortilla pads. I have ground beef, and I have my enchilada sauce. My apple glazed pork loin. I have my apple juice that I need, and I have my pork loin. Soup, beans, and cornbread. This is a ham bone that I'm going to use to get rid of. And then these are my beans. For my Hawaiian chicken, only thing I have other than seasonings is the pineapple. I need to pick up pineapple juice and coconut milk for that piece. And I have a very short grocery list. And I'm pulling all of this out of my freezers and my pantries. And as a reminder, this does not include stuff for my sides that I left in the pantry, nor does it include seasonings, because I have tons of that stuff, I know. Okay guys, we just got back from our itty bitty grocery haul. I got Blackstone griddle seasoning, light coconut milk, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, pineapple juice, and 2% milk. And that's all of the groceries we had to buy this week. We would like to introduce our new family member. We got a new Blackstone griddle. We went with the 28-inch griddle so that we could have it whenever we camped. So the legs break down and they can travel well. So I don't know what this griddle's new name's gonna be, but I'll be sure to share whenever we find out. Want to thank you guys so much for following along in our journey today. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you in the next one.